Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Vechain guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest in right now price update of Vechain. But guys, you know what, I'm very shocked today, I'm very sad today. You know what guys, why I'm very sad? Due to negative changes. Oh my god. The changes is completely going negative, so absolutely I'm sad. Anyways guys, let me show you the latest update. Now guys, the right now price of a Vechain is about 0.113598 USD dollar. That is the right now price of a Vechain, and furthermore the changes is unbelievable going negative guys. Changes is unbelievable going negative guys. So guys, now when there is a possibility that the price will again pump, the price will again increase. Just look here, the price falls down of Vechain very badly guys. You can see here very badly from 6 to 10 September the price of Vechain falls down. Yeah, these all changes occur just in the latest 4-5 days. Just look here, from 6 September to 10 September the price all falls occur. So guys, now when there's a possibility that the Vechain will again pump, guys, that's clear that if they start fall, so absolutely they continue this falls for 1 week, maybe for a long time, but possibilities that for 1 week, and after 1 week I'm sure that the price will pump guys. Anyways guys, what you think about Vechain, also share in the comment box. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.